call upon the whip of the council, and that is Governor Stephen Sang, Governor Nandi County, to come and make his remarks and also run the program from here. Let's give him a clap as he's coming. Welcome, Governor Sang.
Asante sana, MC. God is good and all the time. Asanteni sana. Kwanza, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, we as Council of Governors and the Devolution family are excited that you have joined us today in the official opening of today's Devolution Conference. Your Excellency, yesterday, we had planned some pre-devolution activities. One of them was a football match between the Senate and the Council of Governors. As agreed, Your Excellency, and by the tradition, this is always not a serious match, it's a fun match. And Your Excellency, this is, and to confirm that this is a fun match, we know football we do 90 minutes in a football match. Ours was about 50 minutes, which means 25 minutes. We had also agreed that this was a fun match, but our friends in the Senate, Your Excellency, unleashed a professional team on us. And at the end of the game, we were at 0-3. But Your Excellency, we think that you may have conspired with the Senate, because one of our strikers, dependable striker, Governor Otuoma from Busia, for some reason you disappeared with him for the whole day yesterday. That you may have colluded with the Senate team, including a very dependable 2 members of our cheering squad. Very noisy Senator Susan Kika of Nakuru, and Governor Susan Kika of Nakuru, and SES of Embu County. So, Your Excellency, we hope that in the next biannual devolution conference, you will find time to side with us and not with the Senate, so that we can redeem our image as governors. Nonetheless, we still have the 3 days ahead of us. We will be able to prove ourselves as COG. So, asante sana, we have, Your Excellency, very few remarks from our sponsors, and I want to take this opportunity to welcome our remarks from our platinum sponsors, starting with Ambassador Meg Whitman, the US Ambassador to Kenya, to come and make